Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Yelp account. It's very simple, all you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we're heading into the steps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications. First you should go to your Yelp account and make sure that you signed in. Then you have to search for support and you can go down and find this here. Then here you should write deletion, then search. Now choose how do I make data rights request, then go down and you will find here account closure request. Click on it and here you can see a question. They are asking you why are closing your account. You can type any reason you want. I'm gonna type I have created another account, then send. After seeing this message you should go to your email address. Then you will find a message from Yelp. Open it, then hit this link below. And now you have closed your account. All you have to do is to click on this button. Congratulations. Here you can see this message. Your user account has been closed. As you can see, it's a very simple tutorial. I hope that it was useful to you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.